Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and change a screensaver on LG TV. So first thing is press the settings on your LG remote or the gear icon and navigate to all settings, general, devices, and after that look for screensaver or OLED screensaver under the general settings, and sometimes it is labeled as screen shift or logo luminance adjustment. Now after that, just simply turn the screensaver on and choose available options like colors, photo slideshow, or built-in modes, but this will be depending on the model that you have. And after that, just simply set how long the TV should be idle before the screensaver activates. Usually it can be 2, 5, or 10 minutes. And now, alternatively, you could use gallery mode. On newer LG TVs, you can also use gallery mode to display curated images when the TV is idle. You can just simply go to home, gallery mode, and set it as your screensaver. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.